Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Disney villain filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here, slide right until you see interactive. Go there, then slide up. Okay, and remember this image. Okay, tap on it. Okay, so your hand for the effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect from effects gallery, and if you're not getting this effect like this, then you can go to discover, and here you can search for cool villain. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and if you are not getting the effect like this from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. You need to open it with TikTok. Okay, you need to open it with TikTok. Tap on open app or the camera button on the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on try this effect at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Disney villain filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.